Are you a brand new affiliate marketer? Are you having trouble creating content? Well, if you are, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. What's going on, guys? Arthur Early here. Welcome back to the channel. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that bell notification so you know when I'm going live on YouTube and dropping new videos. So, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you're trying to create content and you don't know exactly what to do, then I want to make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because this is the video that you need to watch right now. Now, a lot of us struggle online, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. And one of those things that we struggle with is creating content. So what I want to do today is I want to help you out with some tips to create content. All right. And I know a lot of times as a brand new marketer, we ask ourselves, well, who's going to listen to me? Right? I'm brand new. I haven't had any results. And here's the deal, guys. I'm about to drop this bomb on you right now. So make sure you're taking notes. All right? People only care about what you teach them. All right? Or what you help them with. So if you have information pertaining to the business or the niche that you're in, and you find a great piece of content, share it. All right? Share that content. The more people will understand exactly where you're coming from. All right? The more that you help your audience, the more they will keep coming back to you. So when they come back to you, they're starting to like you. And you're building, once again, you're building that know, like, and trust. And this is very, very crucial, especially if you're trying to build an audience to buy a product or even click on your link and sell a product. All right, guys? So, you might be asking yourself, how do I do this? All right? You have to keep learning yourself. Okay? You can't just expect to be born knowing how to do this. You have to, you have to keep on learning yourself. You have to get with the people that are a little bit ahead of you. All right? You have to get with the people that have the more knowledge than you. But you have to get with the people that have the things that you want, that are teaching the things that you want to learn. All right? You have to know that as you consume more content, whether it be, I'm going to get into that a little bit later, all right? But in regards to creating content, you have to understand that you got to be able to put it into your own words, all right? You got to be able to mix it up, put it into your own words, and be able to teach as a teacher, not as a student, all right? Once again, I'm going to say that once again. You have to be able to teach as a teacher and not a student. Okay? Because teachers, they're leaders. They come with confidence. All right? Putting it into terms that will make people understand that you're trying to help them. All right? Once again, guys, people don't care about what you look like or anything else like that. What people don't care about what you think, they care about. They don't care about what you think, why you're not doing videos, okay? People only care about themselves, and when people see you as an authority, they're going to learn from you and they're going to stick around and they're going to grow as your audience, all right? Very important. They don't care about what you think they care about, all right? So make sure that you're teaching as a teacher or as a leader. All right. Now, what should you create content about? There's a lot of things that you can create. Listen, guys, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. An easy way. You can go into blogs, all right, in the same industry that you're in, or you could even check out YouTube channel. If you want to use this video that I'm sharing with you, just regenerate it, switch it up, you can do that. I give you permission to go ahead and do that. See what topics in their videos resonate with you, okay? You could even break it down by click their view count, see what videos have the highest view count, look at the videos. If they resonate with you, take some notes, create an outline, and do a video about it. Listen, guys, make sure you don't overcomplicate this, please. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in the logistics of something and we overcomplicate it and overthink it. Well, don't worry about that, all right? Just do what I'm telling you to do and you'll be absolutely fine, all right? The only way to do it is just to do it. If you think about it, it's never going to happen, all right? You have to jump. Actually, you know what I'm going to do for you guys? This is a great video by Steve Harvey. It's called Jump. I'm going to put it right here above this, actually right here above this video. So you can go check that out. And it's about, a lot about mindset and everything else like that. But anyway, consistency is key. You got to get better and you're going to get better and you're going to get better. All right. By creating content. You got to create content often. The more frequently you create content, the more money you're going to make, right? And ultimately, as an affiliate marketer, that is what you're looking to do, right? So, right now, guys, this is like the perfect era that you're in. Like 20 years ago, creating content was a lot harder because you didn't have as many resources that we have today. You're able to sell something online. You're able to make money online, sell a product that doesn't belong to you, or maybe even sell your own product. You can go to YouTube. You can publish videos for free. YouTube doesn't charge you any amount of money to publish videos. It's absolutely free. We have the ability, guys, to create endless amounts of money. But you need to work. You got to put in the work. You got to work your butt off. And you have to know that this doesn't happen overnight. All right? So, I just want to let you know that, guys. Just jump on here. You can do it. All right, so go, get to work, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, bye for now.